Ooh. The storm's coming in. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. Whoa. That's so cool. Oops. Ooh. Wow, that was awesome. Let lightning go. Woo! It's coming this way. Clouds aren't moving that fast, but oh, it's coming. Bad thunderstorm. Ooh, that was pretty. Huh. Ooh, hear that thunder. Hey, Lily. There's Lily, you can barely see her. Tiger Lil. You just don't care, do you? Come here, baby. Come on. Whoa, I just missed it. Damn. Some lightning there. Ooh, it's coming. It's getting darker. Oh, gap's closing in. Ooh. Well, come here. She's scared of thunderstorms. Poor little Tiger Lily. Aw, little Tiger Lily. Woo. Big flash. Oh, that was awesome. Ooh, I like that one. Ah, Reiki. That was so cool. Oh, dude, that was cool. My dad got me watching thunderstorms. I just like to watch the lightning. It's so cool. Dangerous, but cool. Maybe I should work for the weather station. Chuck storms. Love storms. Especially thunderstorms. I just, sometimes you gotta watch out what they bring. Those clouds look funny back there. On the way back over there. Look kind of funny. Oh well. Man, look at the head. It's coming right over my... Soon it's gonna come over my house. Earlier, like, I was looking at all this. There's somebody behind my house. Oh, front your house. Front yard. Dude, it'd be cool if they stringed up again in the clouds. Ooh. Come on, rain. I need some rain. It's hot here. I don't know what the temperature is. Oh. There's my aunt's house.